Welcome everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about global warming. First, let us know what is global warming. Global warming is the ongoing rise of the average temperature of the Earth's climate system. It occurs when carbon dioxide and other pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation, that means solar heat, that have bounced off by the Earth's surface. See, here the sunlight is falling into the Earth's surface, but due to the presence of carbon dioxide, pollutants and other greenhouse gases, the sun's heat is trapped and absorbed by the atmosphere. It cannot escape from the atmosphere, and hence the temperature is rising very rapidly, and the condition which we call as global warming. There used to be lots of trees many years ago, but soon we started making houses, constructing roads, then houses to large buildings. Soon the green place turned into cities, and hence the environment pollution started, which later led us to global warming, that means rising of the global temperature. Even the forest areas were used to be full of trees, vegetations and lots of beautiful flowers. But later we started cutting down those beautiful trees and vegetations and started building huge factories and industries just for making money, which soon led us to global warming. Now the situation due to the global warming is the forests are turned into barren lands. There are no trees. The wild animals are starving due to the shortage of food sources. The icebergs are started melting and the water level is started getting increasing, and the animals are dying everywhere. It is now in our hand to save our own earth, so let's stop global warming and don't let them die.